Is your budget process manual and complicated, requiring an Excel expert to create, modify, or contribute? Phocas budgets and forecasts is simple and intuitive to use for all contributors. One of the reasons is because Phocas provides a familiar Excel experience with key features like copy, paste, undo, redo, and formulas. But because it is purpose-built for budgeting, it includes automated functions specifically designed to simplify the budgeting process. Let's take a closer look. The budget we built in the previous video was based off last year's actuals. I want to lift my total sales by 10% from last year. I can easily use the last year's actuals to proportionally spread a 10% increase across my totals row. If I wanted to, I could do this down at the lower levels as well. And if I made a mistake, I can easily undo or revert back to the baseline figure. You can see my total sales budget has spread across the months based on last year's proportions, aligning with seasonal trends. If I preferred, I could set a total target and spread this evenly, my work days, etc. There's lots of options here. And if last year wasn't great, I can bring in actuals and budgets from previous years. So you can apply spread rules based on trends or historical data. But what if I only wanted to apply some changes just for a specific quarter? Let's group our column by 3 months. I can now choose to just spread an uplift in total sales figures for that quarter. As you can see, I've just changed the figures for that quarter only. Let's say the marketing team is running a campaign in October, November, December, and January, and I want to allocate $50,000. I can easily distribute that amount across the selected cells. With Phocas, you get some of the best parts of Excel, but in a purpose-built budgeting tool that's intuitive and easy for everyone to use. So no more relying on that Excel expert. Are you interested in hearing more about what Phocas budgets and forecasts can do for your business? Talk to our team or request a customized demo today.